In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you use BPAY for Target online orders. Let's get started. It's important to know that BPAY is not a standard payment option for Target online checkout. While shopping on the Target website, you'll only be able to use payment methods that are displayed during checkout. To check your available payment option, add items to the shopping cart and proceed to checkout. In the payment section, you will see all the payment methods accepted for your order. If BPAY is listed as an available payment method, simply select it and follow the on-screen instructions. You will receive the required BPAY biller code and customer reference number. Then log into your online banking or mobile banking app, choose BPAY, enter the biller code and customer reference number. Then log into your online banking or mobile banking app, choose BPAY, enter the biller code and customer reference number, specify the payment amount and confirm the transaction. If BPAY is not displayed during checkout, it means it is not supported for your order. In that case, you will need to use one of the other payment methods offered by Target, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or any other supported option available at checkout. After completing your payment, wait for Target to confirm your order. You will receive an order confirmation email once your payment has been successfully processed. And that's how you can easily check whether BPAY is available and use it for Target online orders. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.